That is right outside my window at my complex. I didn't get to go to the 4th of July. Apparently, someone's brought the 4th of July to me. Yeah. I'm waiting. I think he's possibly going to reload this thing. I don't know. How you guys doing on this early Sunday morning? I think he's done. It is very early. I don't know what time it is. Yes. Oh, I think he's gonna be at it again. Let's see what happens here. Time to find out what time it is. Let's see here. Let's see. This young man has lost his mind. It is 3:27 a.m. on Sunday morning, and that young boy is outside lighting those things. The loveliness of the early morning. Not quite sure what I'm going to do today. We'll see. That little faint light you see in the background is just outside my window. I was awakened to the sound of fireworks. Can you believe that? I guess I shouldn't be shocked. Anyways, rather tired, Miss Fab will bid you adieu. I've been been running lots of scenarios in my mind about what I want to do. I guess we'll discover together. Oh, we're not done yet, apparently. Hold on. He's trying to relight the thing. Run away, young man. As soon as you light it, run. There he goes. Lit on the... Oh, there we go. Oh. Anyways. Sound you hear it in the background is my fan. It has to run. It has to. Keeping me cool and keeping my computer cool. I can lower the flow. Apparently something he's gonna do, I guess he's gonna do one more set of fireworks. I don't know who he is, but I'd like to thank him. Oh. That's kind of funny. I was kind of poo-pooing that I didn't see any fireworks in person. And it's about 3:26 in the morning, Sunday morning, here comes this young man. And that's something. Turn this a little bit. Yeah, sorry about the goofy angle. But, I am just laying here. Oh my goodness. That's, oh. No. The security folks have arrived. There are, I ran into three ladies on a golf cart riding around, and we got into a little talk, and they have beefed up security here because of the threat of shutting the complex down. And one of the ladies said to me that they will be installing security booths at the entrance entrances. Yeah. And I'm just looking out the window because the young man's still out there. This is just a mini check-in, as insane as it sounds. I don't know. He didn't wake me up with the fireworks. Something woke me up first. I don't know what it was. I am a very light sleeper. And it sounds kind of silly, so is my cat. If anything seems out of line, she will literally jump on my chest and wake me up. My cat is like a little dog. Anyways, please, if you choose to do this, you probably won't. Can you see my thumb? I love you guys. Sorry for the craziness of this video. I love you. Thank you, present subscribers and new subscribers to my channel. I'm grateful and humbled by this experience. And I love you. I love you.